Edward Said didn't just write books. He changed how the world understands power, culture, and representation. Born in 1935 in Jerusalem and raised between Palestine, Egypt, and the United States, Said lived between worlds. This experience shaped his thinking about identity, exile, and how the West views the East. His most famous work, Orientalism, 1978, exposed how Western scholars, media, and politicians portrayed Arabs and Muslims as irrational, backward, and dangerous. Said argued that these images were not neutral. They served political power. By controlling how the Orient was described, the West justified colonialism and military intervention. Said showed that knowledge is never innocent. Who speaks, who writes, and who is heard matters. His theory helped us see how films, news, and textbooks still recycle stereotypes about Muslims as extremists or oppressed. This wasn't accidental, it was a continuation of colonial thinking. Contemporary sociologists expanded his ideas. Gurminder Bhambra critiques how sociology ignores empire in shaping modern Europe. Achille Mbembe explains how colonial power continues through borders and surveillance. Stuart Hall built on Said's work, showing how media representations shape racial identity. Muslim scholars also developed Said's legacy. Saba Mahmood challenged Western feminist narratives about Muslim women, showing agency within religious life. Talal Asad critiqued secularism as a Western concept imposed globally. Ali Shariati spoke about Westoxification, warning Muslims against losing their identity to colonial ideas. Malik Bennabi emphasized intellectual independence as the key to true liberation. Said taught us that representation is power. When you control the story, you control reality. Understanding his work helps us question what we consume, who benefits, and whose voices are missing. What if everything you were taught about Muslims was shaped by power, not truth? Like, share, and subscribe for more sociological deep dives that challenge dominant narratives.